If you're ready to leave the United States, getting citizenship by descent is a possibility in most countries. I'm going to walk you through some today and show you what it takes to do that. First up is Ireland. The key thing to know is that Irish citizenship generally extends through grandparents. If you have an Irish-born grandparent, you are likely eligible. What can be challenging, though, is that family history documentation, it's a process. Birth and marriage certificates can take time to locate, especially for relatives that were born in the early 1900s. It's definitely worth pursuing because Ireland offers one of the most straightforward European citizenship processes, and that Irish passport gives you full EU living and working rights. Next, let's talk Italy. Italy generally recognizes citizenship through bloodline with no generational limit. Your Italian heritage could go back several generations and still qualify. The challenge is that Italian bureaucracy moves at its own pace. You'll need a paper trail that can connect you to your Italian ancestor, and those documents will probably have to come from multiple countries. The big benefits of doing this, though, are that Italy embraces dual citizenship, it provides access to the entire EU, and offers an incredible quality of life with world-class healthcare